In this video, you'll learn how to completely remove Certbot from an Ubuntu system. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. If you installed Certbot using the apt package manager, type this command, sudo apt purge certbot. This will remove the Certbot program as well as its configuration files. You'll be asked for your password, type it in and press enter. After that, you may want to clean up any extra files or packages that Certbot might have installed. You can do that with this command, sudo apt autoremove. This will delete any packages that were automatically installed with Certbot but are no longer needed. Now, if you installed Certbot using the snap system instead of apt, use this command instead, sudo snap remove certbot. This removes the snap version of Certbot from your system. After removing Certbot, you might want to check if it's really gone. Just type, which Certbot? If it doesn't return anything, Certbot is no longer installed on your system. That's all you need to do to completely remove Certbot in the easiest way possible. Thanks for watching.